1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm sick of being lonely. I'm so sick of being lonely. I just want a girl who likes me for me. I know this is no country shit, that's right. Ball, ball, ball. I just want a lady who likes me, that's me for me. Let's take her panties off in the middle of the night and makes love with the big bad wolf. How, how, what? You don't like my music, that's your problem. I told you before, I am what I am. I'll never change. I'm the big bad wolf. I eat peanut butter and banana sandwiches just like Elvis Presley. And I kiss the hot ladies instead of bushes. I make love to them on the apple tree or the coconut tree. Yeah. I do that shit. If they got a glass fighter, that's okay. If they're fit, that's okay. I don't like women with plastic surgery. That's true, right? It's a big bad wolf with the bling and all that shit. I do what I want to because I want to. You can't tell me what to say. I make music my way, not your way. And this ain't no country crap. I'm a straight out gangster on the acoustic guitar. And the video and the ladies love me. Cause I'm bad. I'm bad to the bone. Bang pow, what is the whack? That's right, more bad to the bone. I'm the big bad wolf. I do what I want. Rock the show with my acoustic guitar. Make you lift up your skirt and kiss you in there. And in the morning, it's done. The toast is done. The peanut butter sandwich is done. Like 2 peanut sandwich with a bolus. I kiss you on the lips and I leave. Push bang pow, what do you whack? I bought the show with my acoustic guitar and this ain't no country shit. I bought the house, I bought the club. Do all that shit. It's the big bad wolf. No, I don't work out. Do I go to the gym? No. I watch TV and do whatever the hell I want to and flirt with all the effing ladies. Cause I'm a big bad wolf and I effing love it. And I'm a musician and I can play the acoustic guitar. Bush bang pow, witty the whack. Well, I flirt with the ladies, because I effing want to. Yes, I talk about women, sexy women. I like skinny ones, I like fat ones. Always included. It doesn't matter what or what. Or gay or straight. Just dance, the crazy acoustic guitar. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. With a bottle of Jack Daniels in his hands. You call the woman fat? I'll hit you with a bottle of Jack Daniels. She's hot. I don't date women with plastic surgery. I want my women all natural. like the cuties, I like the hotties. But the ones with good question series, you can get the hell out of the club or get the hell out of my house. It's the big bad wolf with a bottle of whiskey. I'm gonna get you stoned, I'm gonna go platinum. Push bang pow, witty witty the whack. You can't stop the big bad wolf, and I like the sexy ladies who like to wear nothing all to my show. I like those girls who like to dress butt naked. Yep. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. And yes, I do know how to play the guitar. That's why I don't need to steal my beats. Ow! It's the big bad wolf. And yes, I did used to do shrooms and marijuana and shit like that back in the day. I don't do anymore, cause I don't want to. It's the big bad wolf. Ow! And I like the sexy man. I like to take off the clothes quickly. And I don't have to pay any effing dollar bills. Yes, if she's my girlfriend, I like to store her with all my effing cash. Ow! It's the big bad wolf. It's the big bad wolf. I can make it jump. I can make it rock and roll. I can play the hip hop if I want to, and that's all that kind of shit. It's the big bad wolf. Ow! What you gonna do? And no more shooting, you people. But I like the sexy women. The only thing you should shoot is an animal, like a rabbit. I'll make some rabbit stew, and you know what I'll do. For having rabbit stew for dinner, sexy lady tonight, and I'm having you for dessert. In the room, push bang pow, push bang pow. It's the big bad wolf.